Okay, I'm so frustrated. I just finished recording about 23 minutes of footage for a video on my YouTube channel, only to realize I forgot to change the default of 1080p 30 frames a second to 4K 60 frames per second. Oh, I am so tired of forgetting to do that. I didn't realize all I need to do is come into settings, go to camera, and select the camera icon here, and record video and set it to 4K at 60 frames per second. And that's all it takes. Now, when I launch the camera and I tap on video, notice it's now 4K 60 frames per second.